Hey, Cherokee Trail, we're back. It's an awful snowy day today. Monday, April, I think the 13th. And we're going to read a brand new book that we just got in, so no one has heard it, at least not at Cherokee Trail. It's sort of a funny book. It is about a dog who needs to be rescued and find a home. And that is just what exactly happened to Cooper. And it's funny because I feel like this story is a little bit like Cooper. When we first saw him at the Dumb Friends League, he wasn't particularly interested in getting to know us. In fact, he ran around the yard that we were in outside that they let us visit with him. And he just ran around sniffing everything, and he didn't really seem to want to make friends with us too much. But we decided he was the right dog for us and brought him home. And I think there's a little bit of this in this story. And I think you're going to see that what the main character is telling you, the little dog, is not maybe exactly how he feels. I am a wolf. If you look at him, you can sort of tell. I don't think he is a wolf. And on the back it says, beware of dog, and then it's crossed out and it says wolf. So I think he's trying to show us that he is ferocious, that he is someone that you should be scared of. It's written by Leigh Miller. She is the author, and since there's no illustrator's name on the front, I bet she also drew the pictures. The book was published by Dial Books for Young Readers, and that is again the person that takes the words and the pictures that are created by the author and the illustrator, and they are the ones that put them into a book so that we can read them. I am a wolf. Okay, let's see. There's going to be a little bit of a trick. I think you're going to see. You're going to see how he's exactly feeling. I am a wolf. I live in the wild. Looks like he's trying to scare all the pigeons. Mostly wolves live in packs. But not me. Looks like he's barricaded himself and built his own little shelter, all by himself. I am a lone wolf. Oh dear. He does not look happy about being put in the dog cage. I'm fine on my own. Can you even see him? Can you find him? Where is he? He's way up here. If you've ever been to the dog pound, and you sort of know that when people want to see a dog to see if they want to adopt him, they ask to have him taken out of their cage and brought out. The wolf, he hasn't been asked to be seen. I am not cute. I am not sweet. I am a scary beast. I am a lone wolf. He's alone. He's alone. He is a lone wolf. But he also looks like he's a little, look at his expression. I think he might be a little lonely. No one wants to look at him. Uh-oh, here comes a family. Look, she has a little brochure about one of the dogs. Which dog is it? Cheer up. Well, we love you. Someone else will too. All the shelter workers are telling him. You are too cute to pass up. The right family will love you. Any day now. How could anyone not adopt you? Just be patient. Everything will be okay. I am not cute. Ooh, he's furious about it. Oh, but who's there? Huh? Aww. Someone's come to give him a hug. He looks a little surprised. I am alone. I am alone. She ran away. Where'd she go? She gave him a hug and then she ran away. Wolf? Oh, look! Look at his face. He's so excited. What do you think's about to happen? I am Wolf. Now he has a little heart above his head. And this is my pack. So, what changed about is he actually a wolf? Or is he's a dog? And it looks like he's sort of cranky and he doesn't think he's very cute. And nobody has seemed to want to take him home. So he decides, I'm just going to be a wolf then. I'm a lone wolf. I'm okay on my own. I really, really am. But when you look at his picture here, is he really as okay as he acts like he is? No, look at his face there. He's still lonely, and I don't think he understands why no one else wants to take him home. So he pretends that he is okay. He pretends it's okay. I'm a lone wolf, and I am definitely not cute. And I'm not going to be cute just for somebody to like me and take me home. But something changes because he is alone, and I don't think he's nearly as happy about that as he acts. But who decides? Who sees him and sees right past how he's trying to be strong and alone and okay with being by himself and not having a pack? I know the little girl does. But then she gives him a hug and he is now again all alone. Because she runs away. Do you think he knows what she's doing right now? Do you think he knows what's going to happen on the next page? That she's going to come back so that he won't be all alone anymore? She ran to get a leash, not to leave him. I am Wolf. And now he has love because he is now part of a pack. And a pack for wolves is just like what we are as humans. of family. He's part of a family. Oh. I love this book because I think some days we try to pretend that it's okay if nobody wants to talk to me and nobody wants me to be part of their group. It's okay. I'm okay being alone. And yet, a lot of times we're not. We want somebody to come up and include us in their pack. I Am a Wolf by Kelly Leigh Miller. I can't wait till we're back at school so you guys can check out this book so you can take it home and go through the pages yourself. Also, it's fun too sometimes if you look at the inside covers because they'll show different pictures, and sometimes on the inner cover it'll have a different inner cover. Now this one does not. Let's look at the back. I don't know that it does. Now this one is the same front and back as the cover, but there's going to be some books where we'll read it, and if you see the inside, it actually has a totally different picture. Normally you don't get to see that because our covers are usually taped onto the front of the book, but since this is brand new, you can open it up. So we'll check it out on the next book we read. Remind me, tell me to take off the paper cover and check the inside because sometimes they have a totally different picture. Okay, hope you're enjoying this snowy day. Hope you had fun reading I Am a Wolf, a dog that pretends he's okay being alone, but maybe not so much. Okay, see you soon.